What's going on, guys? Today's video we're going to be replacing the hinges on a GE oven door. And the reason for replacing the hinges, the residents said that when their food was done, they opened the door, they laid the door down to cool it off, and a little bit later they forgot the door was open. They walked around the island and they smacked their shin into the side of the door and then fell on it, which pushed the door down to the floor past its point where it normally would stop. And so now the door drops to the floor, and then when you go to close it, it gets to the fully closed position, but then falls back a few inches and won't close all the way unless you actually latch the oven door. Okay, we got our oven door laid up here on our sawhorses, and we got the new oven door hinges right here. There's the part number. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is remove these 3 screws right here on this hinge, which are a T20, and we'll remove these 3 on this hinge, same size, T20, and then you want to remove these 3 bottom screws, the 2 end ones and the middle one. Okay, now we'll get ready to take the screws out of both hinges. Okay, now what we're going to do is lift up on the inner door, drop the hinge down, and we'll slide it out. Set that in the box. And we'll move over here and do the same thing to the other side. Grab our new one, set it in place. Okay, just lift up on the door. There we go. Get your holes to line up. Grab our screws and we'll remount it. Okay, now we just got to put the 3 screws across the bottom of the oven door. We should be good to go. And you'll have to lift up slightly on the bottom here to get the screw holes to line up. Alright, and we'll get ready to go remount the door on the oven. Okay, now putting the door back is pretty easy. You got your 2 hinges right there. Just go ahead and drop them in both slots here. Try to do this with holding the camera. Get one side lined up. Okay. There. Once you have the oven door sat in place, then go ahead and let it come all the way down to open it. And you'll see these little tabs, flip them over to lock the hinges. Now we should be able to shut the door properly. There we go. And we can see our oven door stops where it's supposed to. Before it was dropping down and hitting the floor. Now to pull it off, if you were starting this job, right here on the hinges, flip that up and then flip this one up. Open the door, right here at this position, and then grab and just lift straight up off. That's how you would remove it. Now we'll lay it back down. And we'll lock our hinges again. There we go. Good to go. Alright, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.